end-to-end support on commercial daylighting solutions for contractors. At VELUX Commercial, we understand the importance of supporting contractors and installers throughout the project program, from product selection and technical support through to installation and after-sales service for all commercial projects. We recognize your needs and will work closely with you to ensure our range of daylighting solutions offer the highest quality to meet performance, compliance and reliability, whilst offering value for money with the highest level of support from a reliable and trusted brand. Our preferred partner support approach ensures that our VELUX Commercial experts can support you and your team at every step of your project program. Our full range of solutions provide you with the most robust, sustainable and innovative range of roof glazing systems in the commercial market. Manufactured to the highest quality and fully tested, our solutions offer performance, comprehensive guarantees, value for money, and industry-leading reliability across the whole range. And depending on the solution specified for your project, our experts will guide you through the installation options available and discuss lead times to ensure we fit product delivery around your on-site work. We will also talk you through our optional value-added accessories and our solution-specific guarantees for peace of mind and assurance of our product quality and longevity. Once our solutions arrive on site, our support continues. We can provide various types of on-site installation support and assistance for you and your teams. For our VELUX modular skylight range, our experts can provide training and on-site support, as well as the option for VELUX Commercial installers to complete the work for you. Our continuous roof lights, domes and flat roof windows are fully supported with comprehensive installation manuals and tutorial videos to ensure installers can complete their installation correctly and safely. Or if you need, VELUX Commercial installers are also available. And for our specialist structural glazing solutions, our expert installers will ensure a safe and efficient installation on your project to suit your scheduling needs. Whatever the solution to be installed from our full range, VELUX Commercial will ensure you have everything you need to install our products efficiently, safely, and to the highest possible standard. Our solutions are backed by our comprehensive guarantees for your peace of mind, and our experts are available to discuss your installed solutions should you have any queries throughout the product's lifecycle. From product and installation support to our comprehensive after-sales service, VELUX Commercial's end-to-end approach ensures we are always there when you need us. Contact us today to discuss your next project.